looks like there's a white, a green and white, maybe a pale green or a pale blue, purple, a black. It looks like there's two black. What I have is a blue and white, a black, a yellow, a black, a purple, a gray, and that's it. Yes, sir.
And you have a white.
I have a white, I have a blue and white, a purple.
Looks like it's going to be the yellow wire.
Sir?
I said it looks like it's going to be the yellow wire that's going to be the power supply wire that powers up the left headlight assembly. So, if you haven't done so already, you will need to check for power on the yellow wire. It should read approximately battery voltage. So about 12, 13, or 14 volts, somewhere around there.
I have power. I can't tell you the voltage.
Well, if you have plenty of voltage there and the headlamp was replaced, you might have a bad headlamp ballast.
You think that might be it, the ballast?
If you have power and the headlight is new, absolutely.
Well, it's a used headlight, but like I said, I got power on 3 prongs, and I got power on the yellow wire, so you're thinking it's a ballast?
Yes, sir. Like I said, it sounds like you got a bad ballast.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, you bet. You're welcome. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
You bet. Bye-bye.
Bye.